I know.
You take bare money on top of whatever you earn.
Yeah, it's bad, isn't it?
Let's wait a potential recruit's Clan Kelly harasser is nearby. This would be a good opportunity to deal with them.
I've had enough of your... You want to slap?
I'm not touching this.
I don't care how desperate you are. Don't go asking Clan Kelly for help.
We're being contacted by our potential recruit. Patching them through now.
I don't know how to repay you.
Honestly, if you want to repay us, why don't you just join up? You seem cool.
Yeah, why not? I'm in.
Always one thing that Kelly's hate is my friend, sure. All I know is that whole family's shady and dangerous.
That's all right.